Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, this is the third update I've done this weekend, and today it's on cannabis. So let's get into it. The cannabis ETF, MJ, Mary John. I'm going from a buy to a neutral. And before I show you the market action the last several weeks, I wanted to show you the big term picture here. And this was our five-wave decline according to the Elliott wave theory. After that, you're going to get an A, B, C correction. Um, and on this correction, we actually now have a five-wave advance. We got one, two, three, four, and five. So whenever this is complete, we should get a three-wave correction. And then if it, and the other thing we got going on here is that we have a potential bearish divergence now. So this is a weekly chart. So each bar represents a week of price action. So we're hitting higher highs. And right now we got a much lower high on our relative strength index, flashing a caution sign. The underlying strength of this last leg up is not as strong as the previous. And it's flashing a caution sign. Beware, a change of trend is coming. Now, we also have a uh, confluence of moving averages all coming together below the price action. And this is, according to Tom McClellan, this would be a bullish rainbow convergence. And so prices can kind of meander up here until the moving averages come up there and test it. And then we see what happens. That's a type one, or a type two would be a retracement back to that confluence of moving averages, and that's type two. And if it holds, that would promise a new higher high. So, from a bigger standpoint, you can see why I'd want to go to neutral. But let's take a look at just this part. Let's take a look at the recent advance, and here it is. So, off the lows, we got an A, B, and then we got a C correction. One, two, three, four, five. So within this fifth wave, we got five. One, two, three, four, five. And we got a evening star pattern. This is where we opened the week with a gap up. Intra-week traded all the way. Oops. Intra-week traded all the way up to 43 and then ended the week almost at the low. That's called an evening star pattern, and that's bearish. And then on Friday, we actually got a bearish engulfing pattern where this big down bar totally engulfed the prior body of the evening star pattern. So also we're up. Here's our bullish channel. This is support, and this is our resistance line. And you want to buy at support and sell at resistance. I would have rather did it a day ago on Thursday, but it is what it is. So, just a little history. Here's where we got bullish. Here's where we got neutral the first time. So this was back in June 17th, July 17th. We got neutral August 12th, just, 2 weeks later, 51% gain. We went bullish again. We went neutral again for a 13% gain. Prices corrected. We got bullish again on September 16th at 32.17, and we're going neutral now. I don't know, 3 weeks later at 37.05, we got a 15% gain here. So we're also supporting on these higher highs. We got a negative divergence. So I just don't feel good about the reward to risk right now. So I'm going to step out of this, and we'll see what transpires. Also, let's look at the point and figure chart, which is the least subjective. And we got a bullish trend line, so the trend is still up. Our price projection on the breakout here was 35, which we met and surpassed. And so, I'd like to see this do some backing and filling, building up a bigger base again, and then, maybe getting bullish again at some point. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends and neighbors, family. Adios.